back to my channel. So I got my nails on, girl. Yes, so look at my nails. I got inspiration on Pinterest. I found a picture on Pinterest and I was so in love with them. So it's like this checkerboard print with some flowers, very spring and summer kind of feels. I'm kind of glad I got these kind of nails because it's my first time ever getting design on my nails, girl. Yes, I know, getting design. I know I haven't done my nails like in a year, but I used to get them like once in a while. I think I was touching my eye or something, so my inner corner is red. So we're gonna do a packing video today. Hey, another pack with me. So this time's gonna be kind of a little bit short because I'm only going for a weekend, so it's not gonna be nothing too like drastic like my other few times, but still something to pack. So I'm gonna be packing like a tote. Let me get my slush real quick. Oh, say I'm on one. Think about you all the time. This is so good. So I have this bag and I'm just gonna put all my stuff in there. I got this at Academy a while back, probably like 2-3 years ago. So I love this bag. It's blue, colorful. I like it because it's blue. It has a little pocket in front and then just a big zipper. So I'm gonna use this bag and I'll use my cow bag today. How cute. Love the vibes. I'm obsessed with my nails. Like, oh, every time I look at it, like, I don't even know how to act because I got nails on. Girl, please, they're so pretty. I'll be right back and let y'all know what outfit I'm picking because I have no clue what I'm wearing for Easter. Like, nada, no clue, girlfriend. Walmart, I saw it on TikTok and I was like, oh my god, I want that bag. So that's what it looks like. It says no bad days and it looks so like beach vibes, summer. And it was only $5. See, it was only $5 and it's so cute. Like, it's so pretty. Hey, boo, so I finally picked out my outfits. I'm pretty excited because your girl's wearing basically almost all Shein. So I'm gonna show you the outfits I'm gonna be wearing. So my first outfit is the sage green Shein dress I got from Shein. I did a recent haul on this and it's super cute. It has a little scrunch tie on the sides and I'm gonna wear it with some white Air Forces. So this is what I'm gonna wear on Easter Day. And then this is just a backup outfit just in case if I come home or like I don't feel like wearing the dress. This is my next outfit. Baby pink, very Easter vibes, and it's a halter and I love it. And I'm gonna pair it up with my Shein jeans, the nice ones. I'm gonna wear it with my Air Forces. So those are my go-to outfits I'm gonna wear. Bag I'm gonna take, super cute. Just a little tote bag. I'll fix it up later, but this is the my pajama set I'm gonna wear. So it's just a baby girl t-shirt from Let's Do Makeup, her merch, and then I just brought some of these Nike shorts just in case if I'm like hot. I have some shorts, and if I'm cold, I have like my pajama pants, the halter and the jeans I'm wearing, and then my dress, and I'm taking my Air Force sandals. So I just brought some brown sandals just in case, and then I'm bringing this white Shein bag, little one, because maybe if I want to take Instagram pictures, they'll go with both of these outfits. And I'm taking my No Bad Days so I can pair it up with this outfit to look really cute. And then this is just my backup t-shirt, just in case if I don't feel like wearing any of these outfits, I have my backup, just Logic t-shirt. I believe I got this from Hot Topic. Basic tee from Logic. Love that. So just a graphic tee I'm just going to take just in case. So I could probably wear this when I come home or something like that. So those are all my outfits. I got the Chawny socks and the bras. And I think I'm going to wear stickies with this. So I have to pack stickies with those. And then I'm wearing a new bra with that. So that's all I'm going to take. This out, my Air Forces stay out because I'm gonna wear these when I travel. So now we're gonna pack my makeup, skincare, so I'm just gonna have it ready in the bag because I'm packing it 2 days in advance, so I don't have to be in a rush day before. So everything's kind of fully stuffed in there. I'll just gonna put my makeup bag right here so everything will fit really nice. I'm gonna take very light makeup, so I'm definitely gonna take my Catrice HD Liquid Foundation, my go-to foundation. I'm just gonna take that, my Rimmel London waterproof bronzer, just something light. I'll pack my sponges later. And blush, I'm gonna take my little Wet n Wild one. Probably won't do eyeshadow, but I'm taking my new brow gel, my House of Lashes glue, my Bad Girl Bang mascara, my curlers, some clippers for my hair, my ColourPop highlighter, my cream. Always gotta take my hand sanitizer. And I need to charge my fan because my fan is dead. I need to charge it right now. And I gotta charge all my electronics, but I'll probably do that the night before. So before we leave, everything is charged and I can film. I can edit this video while I'm on the road. All I'm taking is, I'm gonna take my Clinique moisturizer. And I'm gonna take my Teeny Vitamin C. That's my go-to. I gotta take a little bit. I'm gonna get a new toner, so I'm not gonna take this. And I'm gonna take my
few moments later.
Moisturizer. I'm gonna take my moisturizer. That's how much I have left, honestly, but it'll last. Well, that's all skincare I'm really gonna take. Oh, I take my primer. So I'm gonna take my putty primer for my face, and I think really that's all it is. Just gotta take some brushes. My brushes in here. This Morphe bag I got. So I'm just gonna pack my basic brushes. I'm not gonna wear like any eyeshadow. Should I take eyeshadow? I'll probably wear eyeshadow when I leave, but like I don't need to wear eyeshadow when I'm back home. So I'm gonna just take this brush because I was using this brush for foundation today and it was pretty good because I don't want to feel like using my beauty blender because it's dirty and I don't feel like cleaning it. So I'm taking these brushes. Fairy Will is nice enough to send me a free toothbrush and I freaking love it. So it's great for traveling. It's in the restroom though, but you can put your toothbrush right here and then the body of it. And I like about it is because it still won't get moldy. It has over here, if you see the little holes. It has air so it won't be moldy, so like my toothbrush can dry. So it's very good. Hey guys, so it's day 2. This is the day before. So yesterday I did pack like my clothing ideas. I forgot I gotta pack my deodorant, my perfume, my jewelry, my sunglasses, all the shebang. So like I kind of have to reorganize. So this stuff's gonna be like my makeup. The only thing I can put in here is like my toothbrush because it's pretty long. And this will be my skincare bag because I was thinking like I don't want to mix my skincare with my makeup. So like when I have clean hands, I like touching my skincare. So I have that, my moisturizer, my serum, my cotton round, Tula acne medicine, and I have hand sanitizer in here. And I'm going to put some toner. And this one will be like my hygiene. So I'll put like my deodorant, body spray, body lotion, and probably I'll put some pads in here just in case because good girl might start. And I got my Lucy collection in today. And I got the whole collection and it all came in. So I was thinking about taking one of the blushes instead of the other blushes I have. So I was thinking about taking one of them. Look at the collection. Super cute. The blushes, the eyeshadow palette, the lip scrub, glitter, 2 glitters, and 4 lip glosses. I put the pink one on and they're plumpy. They look super cute. I picked out for each outfit. So this one, I'm wearing this Shein little beaded one. I'm going to both wear these sunglasses with these outfits. And I put the pearl one with the pink halter. And oh guys, look, I got this other bag I wanted too. So I got this bag and my sister got me another one. It's blue and has a sun. So I have the whole collection of what tote bags I wanted. And then of course this purse, locker shirt. I got to organize all this. So these are the rings I'm taking. It's just the Shein rings that I got. So these gold ones. So just a gold pair. This one's like braided. And then like this one, the rainbow. And then I did get another shipment in from Shein. So this is this beaded. So it's like all these little rainbow beads. And I thought that looked really cute. Whatever outfit I just want to layer. So I got one of these. It just has all these little beads on it. It's really cheap too. Are these little pretty gold with some glitter in the middle. Y'all can see, so I'm just gonna be probably just wearing those, and I'll probably just take some studs. Where's my studs? Okay, that's my jewelry. I got my sunglass case just in case if they break. I don't want them to break, so I'm wearing the cheetah ones. I'm gonna put them in my key. I'll probably keep these in my purse. I don't know what purse to take. Should I wear the white one I'm going to wear or use Positive Vibes only bag because it has pink to go with my pink outfit. I think I'm gonna do that and leave my No Bad Days one here. So this hot pink one with glitter, but there's this baby pink. Ooh, I should probably take this one. It says Delicious is the name of it.
Love to hear you when you complain about your best friend, how she's so late. And as you're talking, I start thinking all the details start to sink in. I don't care about that right now. Spend the summer in this beach house. 'Cause I was right to play my part.
Portable wires in here. So I have my, for my Apple charger, I have for like my regulars, and then my backup Apple phone wire. So I'm taking the one from my phone, but it's on the wall right now. So this is where I keep all my credit cards and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to take all this. So this will go just straight in here. Baby, please don't go. And you wake up tomorrow and I'll still be here. Same for my AirPods. So I basically don't really need that much. It's just the rest is my snack. So basically everything that's in here. Phone, thing, my mask, slide right in here. So whenever I don't want to use this big purse, I have this purse. So basically all this stuff's good. I am taking my hydro flask, but I'm doing it in the morning. Probably need to put water in there. Just I have water with me, fresh, cool water. I need to charge my AirPods. So booze, I'll definitely see y'all tomorrow morning when I'm all dressed up and ready to go. I just gotta pack my snacks, get my water, and then I'll probably show y'all quick me setting up like my body lotion and perfume and stuff like that, just little things. And I'll see you guys tomorrow when I'm on the road. Hey booze, so it's the next morning and I hurried up and got dressed. So I put some braids in my hair, but I'm gonna redo them. But I put on my necklace, new necklace I got, and I'm wearing my dress with some Air Forces. That's my bag already, and I'm trying to hurry up because we're trying to go. We're trying to leave. So that's I'm taking in my bag and some hot onions, Nutella, go-to sticks, pretzels, the way to go. Reese's take 5. I'm gonna take this. The Rice Krispie poppers, some extra gum, the Rice Krispies. I'm gonna take, so this is the toner I'm taking. Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed my pack with me, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, don't forget to on your bell notifications to be notified when I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!